My name is Roos Masereeuw. I'm a professor in experimental pharmacology in Utrecht University, and I'm also scientific director of Utrecht Institute for Pharmaceutical Sciences. Within my group, we develop a bioartificial kidney. Well, I must say functional units of those bioartificial kidneys, as we develop bioengineered kidney tubules. And these kidney tubules should replace kidney function with respect to waste removal. And in addition to that, we also apply novel technologies, biofabrication technologies, to develop tissues and organs like kidney tubules that we can then apply in our research into a kidney disease and developing intervention to do so. And you must then think about 3D bioprinting technologies and melt electro-written scaffolds that we can use for creating functional kidney tissue that eventually may even be able to be implanted in kidney patients to take over their functions.